Chosen Foods avocado oil passed. Their Mayo didn't. Almost every influencer covering Chosen Foods right now has this backwards. They're blaming the oil for a problem that was never the oil's. They're reacting to a study that came out 5 weeks ago, not the 2020 study that actually cleared this oil, but one testing something else entirely. I've spent nearly 30 years reading legal documents for a living, long enough to skip the headlines and go straight to what was actually tested. I'm going to show you exactly what all three university studies found, so you can see the evidence yourself and decide. I bought this exact oil and these jars of mayo at Costco in the last 6 months. Now I'm asking myself, do I throw the mayo in the trash? And now they have a bigger problem. Here's exactly what we're sorting out together, using the actual documents, not the internet's version of them. First, what do all three university studies actually show about Chosen Foods' own products? Every product tested, every lot. Second, what's actually sitting inside these 3 jars of mayo? Third, once we know what's true, what do you do about it? I'll show you the exact swap I'm making in the Healthy Skillet kitchen, starting with the one product that already proved itself. And last, this is where it gets bigger. Recently, something happened that almost no one covering this story has even opened. A federal lawsuit got filed. And that's exactly where we're headed next. Before I show you what's actually in that complaint, I want to be straight with you. This case was filed August 12, 2026. Chosen Foods has not answered it yet. Under federal rules, they generally have 21 days after being served to respond, sometimes 60. Their answer could include asking the judge to dismiss the whole case. Nothing here has been proven in court. Nothing's been decided. As a practicing attorney, what I'm about to show you is what has been alleged and the evidence sitting behind it. Here's exactly what the complaint names. Not mayo in general, 4 specific products. Chosen's classic mayo, vegan mayo, lemon garlic dressing and marinade, and zesty Italian dressing and marinade. Every one of them labeled 100% pure avocado oil. Every one of them marketed soy and canola free. And here is the legal language that actually matters. The complaint does not just say Chosen Foods lied. It says they knew, or by exercising reasonable care should have known, their labels were not true. And that's a real legal standard. It does not require proving somebody sat in a room and decided to intentionally alter their product. It only requires proving they should have caught it and did not. So, where does that allegation actually come from? 3 separate university studies, all from the same lab at UC Davis, spanning 6 years. In 2020, researchers tested bottled avocado oil from major brands. Chosen Foods was one of only 2 brands that came back pure. And that's not a talking point. That's their own test result. In 2023, a second study looked only at store brand private labels only. Chosen Foods was never even in that one, different category entirely. Then, in 2026, researchers went after something new, not bottled oil, the oil hiding inside processed food, chips, mayonnaise, salad dressings. They tested Chosen Foods for eligible products. 2 separate purchases of each, 8 samples total. Every single one failed. Not one sample, not one lot. 8 for 8. In plain terms, the oil that lab found inside these products was not a fingerprint match for avocado oil. It matched oils like sunflower and safflower instead. The same seed oils this brand built its entire identity on standing against. So here's where we actually are. The oil passed, The lawsuit is real. All four products with this name on the label did not hold up, which brings us to the one detail almost nobody talking about this story has bothered to separate out. For a story about avocado oil failing. It was a story about avocado oil mayo failing. Two different claims, two different results. Nearly every influencer covering this treated Chosen Foods as one single failing grade. But under their own name, on their own shelf, there are two separate report cards. One passed, one did not. That distinction is not a technicality. It's the entire difference between a bottle you can trust and four products you can't. And it's the reason a lawsuit naming four specific products filed less than 2 weeks ago still hasn't made it into a single piece of coverage I could find online. So, if the oil is the one part of this story that's actually clean, the smartest move isn't to throw out everything Chosen Foods makes. It's to stop buying the one product that failed and start making it yourself with the one product that didn't. So here's exactly what I'm doing in the healthy skillet kitchen instead. I'm not switching to butter mayo or bacon mayo or going back to seed oils. I already have a recipe for this, made the honest way, using the same bottle that passed the test. This is footage of my original no seed oil mayo video. 1 whole egg and 1 extra egg white, a teaspoon of Dijon, 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of Redmond's real salt or a kosher salt, and 1 cup of the exact oil. Blend from the bottom of the jar up until it thickens, using an immersion blender. Seal it lightly to ferment on the counter for 6 to 10 hours or overnight. That's not laziness. That's a light, natural fermentation. It's the reason this mayo holds up in the fridge without a single preservative. And the best part? The one ingredient this entire story depends on is the one ingredient Chosen Foods actually got right. And until I see evidence that Chosen Foods avocado oil isn't what the research reported 6 years ago, I'm staying with it and making it homemade. So here's the full picture one more time in one place. Chosen Foods avocado oil, tested in 2020, passed. Four products carrying their name and their oil, tested in 2026, failed every single sample. And the homemade version, made with the bottle that passed, the only version in this entire story with nothing to hide. If you want the full recipe, it's already up, and I just mentioned it. I'll link my original no seed oil mayo video below in the description. And if Chosen Foods answers the complaint or the case moves anywhere at all, I'll be back with an update. Same as always, read the label. You might even find that the jar you're holding was not a product of California, but of Mexico or Canada.